All right, guys, we got DPZ here is going to do a personal box break of something we have not seen in a while. It is 18-19 Contenders basketball. Good luck, man. Let's see what we got here. Should get 2 autographs out of this one. If memory serves me correctly, we're looking for 1 pretty bad vet autograph. If you hit a pretty bad vet autograph, that typically means a big rookie is coming. So I wish you the worst of luck in hitting a veteran autograph. May the Elvin Hayes be with you. Nothing against Elvin personally, but we're looking for that quality of vet hit. All right, start off with Larry Legend, winning tickets. Clint Capella, stat line, 25 rebounds. All right, got a front row seat insert of Joel Embiid. Come on. There's Bron. And we have Eric Bledsoe. This is number 299. Finals ticket. Blake Griffin. Season ticket premium. The Brow, Mr. Anthony Davis, MVP. Insert. All right, all the autos must be hiding on the right side. Ooh, we got a redemption. Interesting development. Interesting development. Who was a redemption in this? Rookie Cracked Ice, Chandler Hutchinson. Rookie Cracked Ice ticket, Chandler Hutchinson. Always nice to see a little ice. We like ice around here. All right, and we got an Aaron Holiday premium ticket. Aaron Holiday premium auto. Next up is Colin Sexton lottery ticket. And we have a Marc Gasol playoff ticket, number 2/199. Premium of Nicholas Batum. And our final pack. Finish up with LeBron James. 57 points. Still in a Cleveland uni right there. Alrighty. I appreciate it, buddy. I will get all this stuff packed up and it will ship out ASAP.